In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the ChatGPT Atlas app to gather insights and details about products online. This guide will take you through finding information about a specific product, like The Ordinary, from a website such as Ulta. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to efficiently use AI to assist in making informed purchasing decisions. Let's dive in. First, let's start by opening the ChatGPT Atlas app on your device. This application is a powerful tool for obtaining detailed information with the help of AI. Make sure you've updated it to the latest version to ensure that you have access to the most recent capabilities and features available, ensuring a smooth and seamless experience. Once the app is up and running, proceed to navigate to your preferred website where you want to gather product information. For today's example, let's use Ulta.com. Here, you can search for the product by typing in the name, The Ordinary, to find the exact item you're interested in. Once you've located the product, take a moment to review the basic information provided on the website. This initial snapshot allows you to see what is directly available and begins the process of determining what further information might be useful. Next, look towards the sidebar in the ChatGPT Atlas app. Here, you'll find an option labeled Ask ChatGPT. Click on this feature, and you'll open a new interaction that allows the app to process queries related to the web content you're engaging with. Now, it's time to create your prompt. A well-constructed prompt is essential for extracting useful insights from ChatGPT. In our case, you might want to know more about the strengths and weaknesses of the product. So a good starting point would be crafting a question like, what are the pros and cons of this product? This question will direct the AI to provide a balanced overview that can help in your decision-making process. After you've carefully framed your prompt, go ahead and click Submit within the ChatGPT Atlas interface. The application will then work its magic, processing the information and returning a response that includes an analysis of the advantages and disadvantages associated with the ordinary. This feedback can range from user testimonials and reviews to expert opinions found in online databases. And there you have it, a step-by-step method to harness the power of AI in ChatGPT Atlas to enhance your shopping research. Use this technique to explore other products of interest, making your online shopping experience not only more informed, but also more efficient. Thank you for watching, and we hope you find this tool as helpful as we do in refining your purchasing choices.